Welcome to the Casual Comfort channel where you will learn a lot of interesting and useful things for yourself.
Winter 2025 is here, and it's time to embrace the magic of the season with a wardrobe that feels warm, stylish, and effortlessly chic. This year, fashion is all about earthy tones, rich browns, deep olives, warm rusts, and soft beiges that bring a natural, sophisticated feel to your cold weather outfits. Whether you're stepping out for a cozy coffee date, heading to the office, or bundling up for a winter getaway, earthy colors are the ultimate way to stay stylish while feeling grounded and elegant. So grab your favorite cup of tea, wrap yourself in a soft throw, and let's dive into the most stunning earthy tone winter outfits that will elevate your look this season. The timeless elegance of camel and caramel. First up, let's talk about the absolute must-have shade of winter, camel. Camel coats, caramel tone knitwear, and tan leather boots create a luxurious, polished look that never goes out of style. Imagine a long, structured camel coat over a cream turtleneck and high-waisted wool trousers, effortlessly classy yet cozy. Add a caramel leather belt to cinch the waist and complete the outfit with suede ankle boots for a refined yet comfortable finish. This combination radiates warmth and sophistication, making it perfect for both workdays and winter strolls. Olive green, a chic winter neutral. Olive green is the ultimate neutral with a twist. It blends seamlessly with browns, creams, and blacks, making it a versatile staple for winter dressing. This season, go for an olive green puffer coat or an oversized wool blazer paired with beige wide-leg trousers and a fitted knit top. To add texture, try a chunky knit scarf in an earthy taupe shade and accessorize with gold jewelry for an understated yet elegant touch. Whether you're heading out for a weekend brunch or running errands in the city, this look will keep you feeling stylish and effortlessly put together. Rust and terracotta, the cozy statement. Nothing feels cozier in winter than warm, earthy rust and terracotta tones. These deep, rich hues instantly add vibrancy to a neutral wardrobe while still keeping things subtle and stylish. Try layering a rust-colored oversized sweater over a silky slip dress in a muted brown or beige. Pair this with knee-high leather boots in a cognac shade and a wool trench coat for an effortlessly chic look. Don't forget a matching scarf to pull everything together. Rust tones bring out warmth in your complexion, making this a go-to outfit choice for both day and evening outings. Are you loving these cozy and stylish winter outfit ideas? If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. Which earthy tone outfit is your favorite so far? Or do you have a go-to winter look you swear by? I'd love to hear from you. Chocolate brown, luxurious and rich. Chocolate brown is having a major moment in 2025, and it's easy to see why. This deep, decadent shade exudes luxury and warmth, making it the perfect color to build a winter wardrobe around. For a sophisticated look, go for a chocolate brown knit dress with a belted waist, paired with a cream-colored long coat and knee-high suede boots. Want to elevate it further? Add a dark brown leather handbag and gold-rimmed sunglasses for an effortlessly chic vibe. This outfit is ideal for winter date nights or elegant gatherings, ensuring you look both stylish and seasonally appropriate. Earthy monochrome head-to-toe warmth. One of the most striking ways to wear earthy tones is by creating a monochrome look in different shades of brown, beige, or terracotta. A full monochrome outfit feels intentional, modern, and ultra-stylish. Try a warm beige cashmere sweater tucked into tan leather trousers, finished with a matching long wool coat and ankle boots. The key to making this look work is playing with textures. Mix wool, leather, and cashmere for an ultra-luxurious finish. For accessories, stick to gold jewelry, a structured handbag, and oversized sunglasses to keep the look polished. Winter fashion doesn't have to be dull or repetitive. Earthy tones bring a sense of warmth, richness, and effortless elegance that make winter dressing so much more exciting. Whether you're drawn to the timeless appeal of camel, the cozy depth of rust, the chic versatility of olive green, the luxurious richness of chocolate brown, or the statement look of monochrome tones, there's an earthy-hued outfit waiting to elevate your winter wardrobe. Which one will you be trying this season? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more fashion inspiration, like this video and share it with your friends. Stay warm, stay stylish, and I'll see you in the next one.